walking down there as well, so watch people.
I didn't actually see you standing there.
Actually, what then?
As soon as you turned, I was like, oh.
It's like, where are you? I'm in some woods. Where are you? By the tree, yeah. By the rhododendron bush. Which one? Huh? Where the other two? Harry, is that you? Any hints as to your location, over? Where? Harry, any ideas how I might find you? Sorry mate, I can't hear a word you're saying, it's all garbled.
Ginger mug.
Bush is alive.
It's alive with the sound of music.
Yeah, he's just walked past. He's wandered off.
Yeah, okay, I'm aiming towards you.
So what are we doing?
Keep it above your head, don't worry.
He's dead.
There. Oh no,
He's dead.
He's dead. In the bushes. Got him.
Another one.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
Gone.
One more, orange.
Fucking hell, I didn't even see you, man.
He's down. Another one. Yeah, they're dead. Down.
Kills two, you know. Can only kill me though.
Follow the sound of BB.
I got out of the house.
See you later.
You guys want to go down and up? See what we can see. I feel like there's the way if we go down, they see us. And we can see it from here.
Yeah, I think Bravo will make their way back up that hill again.
Here, but the moment we go down, they can kill us. They can kill us. Yeah, it's true.
It's a boring place to hold, but we're getting the kills, aren't we?
Yeah,
And we're stopping them pushing our back.
I agree.
Open fire! Pressure on! Those at the back, we move forward please. Our friends need you. Just fire and move. Put the pressure on. Pin him down. Do not slow up. Those with long guns, try and get a position just behind the front. Take some targets, fuck them up.
Yeah,
We're a bit quiet here, guys. Where's the firing?
I haven't seen any of you guys all day.
Come on! Big shot! Covering fire! Move! That's it, he's got it! That guy knows! What? We've got 4 on the left. Let's go! Hold that possession! Get up the hill, come on! One another, keep pushing forward, doing good. I also like to take this opportunity for my coach team. Single shot in the fort. Not at the fort, but out the fort. Inside the fort, it's single shot. Well done, others. Doing good. There you go, it's done.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, you're alright.
Well done, guys, well done.
Is there only one more player in there, like? No. Might be 45, but no. One on the roof. Above the door. On your flank!
Hit!
Step to your right, step to your right, step to your right.
Yes.
Special mission, guys.
Sniper moving in this bush here.
Don't know if you're on full auto, but that bush there, this guy's moving there and this guy's moving
Yeah,
left.
well, I've just been fucking shooting into it. There's a sniper and two guys, and they just run out. I'm sure they're not taking their hits. There is a sniper in that bush though, where you just pointed to as well.
I think there's a guy on that bush right there. No, there are. No. That is ours. But yeah, way out.
Friendly go,
He's going to shoot over you.
He's a wrestler.
We'll come out, we're going to fuck you in.
Fuck that general direction. Take that hit, bitch.
You were lucky again then, Jay. Just fucking ricocheted off the floor in front of you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You go. Try not to tread on people.
Firing from the left as well. Yeah, I think there's firing coming from the left as well.
I think that's where, yeah, we're split between the two of them.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to fall over them.
If we go around this track here, we can get back into prison camp. We've got an objective, we've got to move back to base.
Where are they? Straight down, are they?
Straight in the bush there, they're just trying to sneak around the back.
All the way down. We've got 3 of them, I think I saw.
Just come past
It's on the firing line. Come on, yeah, that's it.
Oh, you wanker. Good job.
Just on the right side where this tree is, straight through the bush.
Ready?
Ready?
Go. Cover.
Oh, I thought you said colour.
I know, because there's one straight down there.
Yeah.
Ready for cover?
I'm just going to go over and have a look.
Ready for cover?
Hey, once the side's off, yeah. Oh, he's in.
Still firing the same position yet.
Where is he?
Who's moving?
Where is he at the moment?
Where this tree is?
Yeah.
Directly in front through the bush, in front of this tree. This tree's giving me cover at the minute.
Right, okay.
And we've got Delta down there as well.
Yeah. Whereabouts are they? Seeing if I can get across.
That bush, straight in front of us, they're on the other side.
There's dead players moving there from left to right.
There's an LMG just through there. He does spray eventually, but
That village is there on our left.
yeah, village is here. They're trying to push. Delta's trying to push from this side.
Who's team down here, boys? Good try, man.
Changing.
Got to the tree and got head quite close from the left. What's the situation like on our left? If we can try and get on his right, right?
Well, we've got some here in the bushes. They should be off. I see down there.
Guys, what's happening on that? Because we've got directly in front of us. Right, so you can't push out too far on the left. Okay, no worries.
Someone down, 2 down there, and possibly 1 or 2 up there.
Hold that.